Bathroom remodeling is always made easy with EZPro. Joining us today is General Manager Jeff Rogers. Thank you so much for joining me, Jeff.
Thanks for having me.
So what should homeowners look for when it comes to hiring a contractor?
Sure. So we would always say do some homework. Look at the reviews. Check their rating with the Better Business Bureau. With EZPro Express, we have well over 2,000 five-star reviews and a AAA rating with the BBB. So, you know, we're taking care of our customers here.
How does EZPro compare when it comes to price?
Many times we'll beat our competitors by thousands of dollars on the same project.
Wow, that's a lot. How do you guys do that?
Well, we are local, and we are a smaller, family-owned business, you know, not a national chain, you know, competitor like many of our competitors are. So that helps us, you know, keep our overhead down. We don't use celebrity spokespeople. Obviously, I'm here. So we just try to put the money where, you know, our homeowners can get good value, you know, for their project.
And you guys are local. What would you say is the benefit to being a locally owned business?
Sure. So our employees are local as well. So they live and work, you know, in the community. They go to school, you know, in the community. They go to church in the community. So they care about the work that they're doing for, you know, their community members and for their neighbors.
A little bit of advice that you have. How can you make sure that a contractor is trustworthy at EZPro?
Sure. So I would say, again, do those reviews. You know, look at the reviews, look at the rating of BBB. You know, that's the customer's, you know, own words on how well a contractor performs and does what they say they're going to do.
Now, if somebody wants to get started, how can they do that?
Sure. So give us a call. Go online, EZProExpress.com. Come by one of our local showrooms. We'll come to your home. We bring the samples. We'll talk about your project. If it's a project that we can do, we can give you a price down to the penny that same day. And for anyone looking to get started today, we are taking $1,000 off the project if they call now.
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
Yeah, give us a call.
Now, would you say it's an easy process?
It is an easy process. We try to make so.
It's in the name, right?
It is.
Well, thank you so much, Jeff, for joining me.
Oh, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
We'll be right back.
The preceding was sponsored by